Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you two different ways to factory reset your Roku Express, and this is very easy. So if we press the home button and we go to the home screen here, and then we go up, we can go to settings. Now we can go to the right, and then we can go up once again, and we can go to system. Under system, we want to go to advanced system options, so we can just scroll up and we can find it really easy instead of scrolling through the entire list. Now if we go to the right, we can go to factory reset right here. Now it says please enter this specific code to reset. So you have to type it in right here before you can actually reset your Roku device. Now this is how you can do it on the device, on the system software. You can actually go to the Roku itself and factory reset it if you do not have the remote. Alright, so here is my Roku device. If I turn it around now, there is a small button right here that says reset. Now you might need like a pencil or a pen or something to press down and press that button. Otherwise, if you do have long fingernails, you can actually press it down with that. So just hold that down, then look at your TV, and it will go ahead and reset your Roku. So this is very easy to do. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.